You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to control dandruff. Tips number 4. Dandruff is very common problem and all of us suffer from it at least once in life. This article will discuss some home treatments to get rid of dandruff. 1. Use shampoos. There are several ways to cure dandruff. One of them is to use anti-dandruff shampoos. However, not all anti-dandruff shampoos will help. Make sure your shampoo contains all these ingredients: coal tar, salicylic acid, pyrithione, zinc, and sulfur or selenium sulfide. Each of these ingredients is vital for curing dandruff. More often than not you will encounter anti-dandruff shampoos which have more than one ingredient. The only way to know which anti-dandruff shampoos are best for you is by trial and error. Here is a good way to use anti-dandruff shampoos. First, wash your scalp thoroughly. Then apply shampoo on the scalp, then let the shampoo remain on your scalp for about 5 minutes. Then rinse your scalp thoroughly. 2. Another way to cure dandruff is by using yogurt. Before using yogurt, you should rinse your hair thoroughly and then apply yogurt on your scalp and let it sit there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash the scalp using as little shampoo as needed. You can use an infusion of thyme, nettle or sage with 2 tablespoons of vinegar as a final rinse. 3. If neither of these remedies works for you, you can turn to homeopathy. Homeopathy has really some good medicines which will help you to cure dandruff. You can use medicines such as rsenicum, sepia, sulfur, mesotherium, floric acid, graphites, oleander and natrum myrrh. However, I would recommend that you consult with a homeopath before using any of these medicines. 4. There are some good herbal remedies to cure dandruff as well. One herbal treatment that was invented in South Africa is this: mix borax, one of the fresh roots of the wild scabious, with an infusion in boiling water. This will create a paste for you. Just rub the paste on your scalp once a week, and you will be able to cure dandruff fast. Dandruff is often confused with dry scalp, but the fact is that it is a completely different problem. This problem occurs due to excessive shedding of the dead skin cells from the scalp. In addition, the shedding of dead scalp cells is quite natural, but the excessive shedding of flakes is a very annoying condition. The home remedies for dandruff are very popular in treating the condition effectually. Moreover, nearly half of the population is suffering from this stress-giving problem. Additionally, the severity of this problem may fluctuate with seasons, especially during winters. The home remedies for dandruff is effective in treating this problem by helping the scalp to retain its normal, natural health. There are many causes for occurrence of this problem, but the prime causes are debilitated general health and constipation. In addition, the high-stress lifestyle is also considered to be the main cause for this problem. The high-stress lifestyle badly affects the whole body, and it is very harmful for hair and scalp. Moreover, harsh shampoos, frequent use of hair gel or hairspray may lead to this embarrassing problem. The chemical used in such products reacts with the scalp, due to which the cells of scalp gets damaged. The home remedies for dandruff will help to neutralize the bad effects of harsh chemicals and helps the scalp to retain its health. Also, in severe cases it is found that fungal infection was causing the real problem. That is why it is advised to consult dermatologist for diagnosis of the scalp. There are very effective home remedies for dandruff which are mentioned ahead. 1. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak them for 12 hours in water. Next morning, ground the seeds into fine paste. Apply the paste on scalp, and let the paste work for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with soap nut solution. Use this remedy at least twice a week. 2. The simplest remedy would be to massage scalp with 2 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. 15 minutes after application, rinse hair thoroughly. Use this remedy daily. 3. Make a hair mask by mixing 2 tablespoons of green gram powder with plain curd. Apply it on hair for 30 minutes. And rinse thoroughly. This remedy must be used twice a week. 4. Take equal amounts of fresh snake gourd juice and fresh beet juice. Mix both thoroughly, and massage scalp with the prepared mixture to get rid of this problem. In addition, the mentioned home remedies for dandruff are indeed effective, but some diet tips are also mentioned ahead to prevent reoccurrence of this problem. 1. Include large amounts of juicy fruits in your diet, but avoid citrus fruits and tinned fruits. 2. Take well-balanced diet so that the body gets all the essential nutrients. 3. Avoid caffeine-based and carbonated beverages. Also, avoid alcoholic beverages. 4. Include green leafy vegetables in your daily diet, along with the mentioned home remedies for dandruff and diet tips. 2 hair care tips are also mentioned ahead which will help to keep the scalp healthy. 1. In order to avoid accumulation of dead cells, keep hair and scalp clean by using mild and pH-balanced shampoos. 2. It is also important that blood should circulate properly. It is advised to gently brush your hair several times a day for 1 to 2 minutes to increase blood circulation. Dandruff, also known seborrhea. Dandruff is a chronic scalp condition that causes scaling and flaking of the skin. The skin on our scalp sheds more than any other area. Flakes get trapped in the hair and mix with oil, causing dandruff. Dandruff is a global phenomenon and many people find that dandruff can cause social or self-esteem problems. Dry scalp is caused by a lack of moisture or natural oils on the scalp, which results in small, dry flakes and itchiness. Dandruff is caused by the shedding of skin, which results in medium to large size, white, oily flakes. Dandruff has been shown to be the result of THRE factors. First is skin oil, commonly referred to as sebum or sebaceous secretions. Second is the metabolic byproducts of skin microorganisms, and third, individual susceptibility. Severe cases of dandruff are caused by a disease called seborrheic eczema or seborrheic dermatitis. Common symptoms of dandruff include white, oily-looking flakes of dead skin in your hair and on your shoulders and an itchy, scaling scalp. Dandruff is not an organism like lice. Hormones may also be involved because dandruff usually starts after puberty and is more common in men than women. Other factors contributing to this disorder are emotional tension, harsh shampoos, exposure to cold, and general exhaustion. There are a lot of ways to treat dandruff. It can be controlled and prevented from increasing. Day. RNAL treatment includes using anti-dandruff shampoos or using antifungal shampoos. Nutritional dandruff treatment. Nutritional treatment includes eating good nutritious food. An intake of lot of liquids to keep your skin supple helps. Beat 2 eggs and add 2 tablespoons of water to it. Wet the hair and apply the egg mixture over the hair. Now massage your scalp and let the mixture on for 10-15 minutes. Olive oil contains vitamin E and other essential vitamins, which is good for the skin as well. Apply them to your hair and slowly massage the scalp with your fingers. Boil a handful of neem leaves in 4 teacups of water. After cooling and filtering, use for rinsing hair. Hair washed with fenugreek, methi seed paste prevents dandruff, falling hair, baldness, and dandruff, keeping the hair long, healthy, and black. Apply warmed coconut oil with the juice of 2 lemons, and leave in hair for 2 hours before shampooing out. Meats, sugar, strong tea or coffee, processed fruits, candies, soft drinks, pickles should be avoided. Home remedies for dandruff tips. 1. Use of fenugreek seeds is one of the most important remedies in the treatment of dandruff. 2 tablespoons of these seeds should be soaked overnight in water and ground into a fine paste in the morning. 2. Use of a teaspoon of fresh lime juice for the last rinse while washing the hair is another useful remedy. 3. The juice of snake gourd has been found beneficial in the prevention and treatment of dandruff. 4. Aloe vera dandruff cure. About 10-15 minutes before you wash your hair, rub a lot of aloe vera gel into your scalp, leave it on for 10 minutes. 5. Using lime juice to wash hair. 6. Soak 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind into a fine paste. Apply all over scalp and leave for 1/2 an hour. Wash with mild shampoo. 7. Mix the olive oil with the almond oil. Leave it on about 5 minutes after it starts to burn. Rinse well to clear dandruff. 8. Massage your hair with warm coconut oil and apply the juice of 2 lemons. Steam your hair and leave the oil on for about 2 hours. 9. Boil a handful of neem leaves in 4 teacups of water. After cooling and filtering, use for rinsing hair. 10. Mix 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar with 1/4 cup water. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle and spritz it onto your hair and scalp, being careful to avoid the eye and ear area. Dandruff is so mething that might cause awkward situations because it can be something that is very noticeable to other people. Many people have been embarrassed by the fact that they have dandruff, and it is so mething that has been the cause of a person's insecurities. Many times, people assume that dandruff is something that you get when you do not wash your hair or keep yourself clean properly. This can certainly be true. If you do not wash your hair on a regular basis, it might mean that your scalp will become irritated and you might develop a case of dandruff. If your scalp gets overly dry because of a lack of washing your hair, you might find that you notice pieces flaking off of your scalp and ending up on your clothing and your pillow. This can occur if you fail to wash your hair, so a portion of that rumor is true. However, many times people get dandruff when they take care of their hair. This happens because they have naturally dry skin, and when the skin on their scalp gets dry, it ends up being much worse than dry skin on the rest of their bodies. If you have naturally dry skin, you might be prone to developing dandruff, and if you do not know how to take care of the problem properly, it might turn into a bad case of dandruff. If this happens, you might have to take further action. One of the first things that you can do is find a shampoo and conditioner that work well with dandruff. These are easy to find, as almost every brand has a shampoo and conditioner that are meant to moisturize your scalp and help with dandruff. If your scalp is not helped by moisturizing shampoos, you can use medicated shampoos that will actually medicate your scalp and help it to heal. Often dandruff is a recurring problem because it does not have a chance to heal before it gets worse again. If you have a problem with dandruff, the best thing to do is to take care of it and help your scalp to heal. Once your scalp has been healed, you will be able to prevent more dandruff from occurring. There are also products that are meant to put on your scalp so that you can be soothed and your scalp can heal. These are generally used to maintain a non-dry scalp and allow you to have less of a dandruff problem. Dandruff is something that you might have to deal with in life. Besides for a dry scalp, there are other things that can cause dandruff. If your house is very dry, you might see that you will develop a problem. A good way to make sure your house is not dry is to have humidifier in your home that will prevent your scalp and your skin from drying out. Even though dandruff might be caused by not taking care of yourself, there are also times when it occurs in someone with good hygiene. It is something that a lot of people are going to have to deal with, so you should know me tricks and how to take care of this problem when it arises. It is something that is very easy to solve. With a little care and hard work, you can have a dandruff-free head. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.